Have you ever felt like your online privacy is just slipping away, like sand through your fingers? Today, we're diving into a hot topic: VPNs, or virtual private networks. If you want to keep your data safe while exploring the digital world, you're in the right place. So, buckle up as we unveil the secrets to protecting your online presence, safely and securely. So, what exactly is a VPN? In simple terms, a VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. It masks your IP address, making it look like you're browsing from a different location. Imagine being able to surf the web without anyone knowing who you are. Sounds great, right? This not only enhances your privacy, but also helps you access content that might be restricted in your area. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a VPN? Well, let's break it down. First off, security. Using public Wi-Fi? You're at risk. With a VPN, your data is encrypted, making it harder for hackers to steal your information. Secondly, anonymity. With your real IP address hidden, you can browse without fear of being tracked. And finally, access to content. Want to watch a show that's only available in another country? A VPN can help you bypass those geographical restrictions. So how do you choose the right VPN? Look for these key features. Strong encryption. Make sure your data is protected with military-grade encryption. No log policy. Choose a provider that doesn't keep logs of your activity. This is crucial for privacy. Speed. You don't want to sacrifice speed for security. Check for providers known for fast connections. User-friendly interface. Especially if you're new to VPN, an easy-to-navigate interface is a must. Customer support 24/7. Support can be a lifesaver if you run into issues. While I won't endorse one specific VPN today, I suggest looking into well-reviewed options. Check user feedback, compare features, and pick one that fits your needs. Some popular names in the VPN world are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. But always do your own research to find what works best for you. Remember, using a VPN is just one part of maintaining your online privacy. Always combine it with good habits, like using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. And don't forget to be wary of phishing scams. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. With the right VPN and a few smart practices, you can significantly enhance your online security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Stay curious, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.